It is July 3rd, 2018. I just got out of work. It's 11:29 a.m. I'm heading straight. I just changed clothes here in the car. I'm heading straight to Woodway Country Club in Darien since I'm out here in Stamford. Just getting out of work. I traded cars with my wife this morning. Chris has my car, and I have our van. She also is working. Show up time was 10 a.m. At Woodway Country Club today. It's a bigger show. It's a two-truck show. So we had to kind of change our normal plans. And I had not put in for today off of work. I do have the 5th off, because by the time I get home from tomorrow's Ridgefield show, I would basically have to go straight to work on no sleep. So I do have Thursday off of work, but I did not put in for today, because normally show up time at Woodway is 12 noon, and it's 11:30 in the morning, and I would be right on time. And normally it's a one-truck show. Tomorrow, Ridgefield is always the two-truck show. Well, a little different this year. Even Saturday's show that we did, that was the two-truck show. So, a little different this year. So anyway. Okay. I am arriving. They put a fence up here. I gotta get through there. I'm arriving at Woodway Country Club. Okay. Now that I got through the gate, now we gotta make our way to the winding road. Hopefully I don't get hit with somebody's Titleist, because it looks like they're still playing golf out there. Bridge always scares me. Hopefully I don't get whacked with a Titleist, because they're still, it looks like they're playing golf. Here we go. Getting on site. Like I said, arrival time was 10 a.m. I couldn't make it till now. It looks like Jeff's here. Barbara, Kevin, Bob, Jeff. My God, they didn't cut the grass. Judas Priest. All right, I have arrived. Okay. All right, Gene, have a good one. We'll see ya. Gene just showed up. I showed up right as Gene was pulling behind me. So now we got the product transfer from Gene's truck to my truck there. That's the small one. Kevin's truck. We're short-handed. Like I said, they got out here at 10. You can see we already start getting some racks off the truck. Very short-handed. I don't know how much filming I'm going to be able to do today. Chris ain't coming until tonight with JP. So I don't have a video and a picture taker right now. So, I mean, Chris is calling me right now. Awesome. Hang on. Okay, all hands working. Bob's driving a Gator, Patty's driving a Gator, Barbara and Ed unloading the truck. Me, Jeff, and Kevin unloading racks from the Gators, laying them out. Here, unlike the country club we did the other night, we don't have to drive in the truck around the greens, because you can see all these flags. It's sprinkler systems, so you can't drive the truck around, so you got to move stuff around with the Gators. And when it's 100 degrees out, no wind, stifling humidity, It's not easy. All right, like I said, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film today. My wife's not going to be here until about 7 o'clock tonight. All hands working. I'll film as I can. What's that mean? Lightning is close, right? By the time I got my camera out, it stopped. And there's the thunder. It's a lightning detection alarm. That meant all golfers get off the golf course. I'm putting my stuff back in here because I think we're going to get this storm. But that was wild, the lightning detection. Alarm went off and then all of a sudden we hear the thunder. Pretty wild. Hear it? Hang on. Alright, well, we're starting to get some rain. Should we cover?
I have mine. No, I don't think so.
By the radar, it looks like the storm is going around us, but all of a sudden, we're getting rain. Everything is set up, nailed, cleaned out. We're ready to load. So dinner just got here. 5-speed gator. Crazy. Alright, the rain has stopped. Looks like sky's brightening up, clearing a little bit. Almost looks like the sun's going to break back out. So we're going to start to load. We're just coming off a quick lunch break, bathroom break, and now we're ready to start loading. So here's our setup. You good? Okay. All right, we have begun to lay out the boxes of shelves. We got all finale boxes laid out. I'll start getting the rest of the boxes. Once we got everything out, we're starting to load. Okay, time to start loading. Alright, well, we're putting the finishing touches. All the preloads are now in and tucked. So we are all set on all the preloads. Ed is finishing the fusing of the opening. Christine finally made it here after work. She is fusing the midway. Barbara, Bob, and Jeff are fusing the finale. We also have Joe here now. He's breaking down boxes for us, cleaning up all the empty boxes. And we're pretty much going to be done. I think they just got to lay out a couple of cakes, and then they got to run the wires, the E-match and the cables to the firing panel for the finale. Finale electric and everything else hand-fired. And then tonight, this is going to be our view, our ground view, behind the scenes here. Just like that. Show goes 9:15. Weather seems to have cleared up, so we shouldn't have any weather woes. And it's going to be pretty much our view. Alright, stay tuned.
Here's the, what's 3-inch?
Alright, we're getting ready. We're going to light. We're going to
Tell
light.
me when. Now.
We're going to light one shell, and then we wait 2 minutes, and then we go. Let me get in position.
Fire the hole. Light your flares. Oh, the thing's gone. Dom. Light them. Oh, you're done. Give him the flare. off on the Huh? No.
Alrighty. All clear?
All clear.
All right, we are cleared.
Good job, boys.
Time to get the cars and get to work. We have started the tear down process. All hands working. So it'll be a while by the time we get done. Everything is unnailed. We begin to load racks now on the truck. On the two trucks, I should say. We got 3 gators going now. Bob's driving one. Christine's driving one.
There is a job for me.
So me and Joe are working together, lifting racks in the gators. Yeah. Brian's driving a gator, Chris is driving a gator, and Bob's driving a gator. Gators everywhere. We can't drive the trucks out on the green, so we have to jockey them around in the gators. So very time consuming here. Very time consuming. We'll get it done. A lot of racks to move on.
What are they doing in that truck that they're just...
This is the finale.
Huh?
The small truck is the finale
Oh, okay, so they're loading all finale.
to make it easier.
Where's the last one here?
And 2 from across the way, we're done with the finale.
Right. That's the whole finale?
Why? Why do I do this? Because I can.
Because you can.
Because I don't want to anymore. 25 years. I've had enough. I've had enough of this.
That's what's nice about being a Jaffo. You enjoy
you got
the...
a job. You're driving the gator.
I know, there's something I can do.
So,
It's like I feel horrible not doing anything, but...
And we got another whole show tomorrow, the biggest one of them all, Ridgefield.
Floors, but we don't have any single
4th of July.
We don't have any single floors.
Biggest show of them all. Ooh, somebody's doing. That's Class C, you could hear it, but it's aerial Class C. Amateurs. All right, stand by. You see all hands working here, what we're doing. You can turn it around and say, hi, this is me and the gator.
Hi, this is me and the gator.
Jeff are hitching a ride. We ain't done. All right, all we got left is the threes for the body of the show, and all the racks will be picked up. We are making excellent time. All right. Hang on. All right. There goes Bob with the last of the racks. We actually got them all picked up off the ground. Now we just have the strapping and the buckets of clamps. Got to rake up a little bit, but the heavy work is done. Good job, Jeff.
Good job.
4th of July, 2018 is actually upon us. It's about 1 a.m., close to 1 a.m. We're making good timing though. We'll be out of here before 2. So, like I said, we just got the easy stuff to pick up now. All right, let's get this done. All right, that is it. All work is done. So, grounds are all picked up. We don't even need to pick up the little pieces of paper. The grounds crew will come and do that at 6 o'clock in the morning. So we don't even need to rake every little piece of paper this time. But we picked it up pretty much. All right. I got to go put the gators away. The gators. We're going to be out of here very, very shortly. Not bad. Not bad. We had some fresh bodies. Joe, John, and Brian came down to give us a hand. So we had some fresh bodies to pick up. So that didn't go as bad as I thought it would. We got that done pretty quick. It's, I believe, just slightly after 1 a.m. right now. So, not bad. Stand by, we're almost out of here. Alrighty, it is 1:22 a.m. July 4th, 2018, and we are done. We are leaving Woodway Country Club. We are done. I can't see. So let me just find my way out of here between the rest of the vehicles over here, and I will be out of here. But we are done. I gotta be at the next show at 8 a.m. in Ridgefield tomorrow. All right, I'm out of here. There's Ed. Ed, good job, man.
You too, Dom. We'll
One
see you
more
tomorrow.
day. We do it tomorrow again.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
You got it. Have a good night. All right. We are out of here. There we go. Alrighty, so this is going to end the video from Woodway Country Club, Darien, Connecticut, 2018. Hope you enjoyed my behind-the-scenes videos. More to come in just a few hours in Ridgefield. Happy 4th of July. Be back in a few hours at Ridgefield High School. So, this is it. Good night. Thanks for watching. And so long from Woodway Country Club.